How to enable warn about malicious sites on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable warn about malicious sites on Samsung internet browser. First, then open the browser and now click these three lines here in the bottom corner and click settings and scroll down. Here we'll find browser privacy dashboard, and here we'll find this one about malicious sites. Just click on it, one click, and as we see, warn about malicious sites have been enabled. Now just go back, it will be saved, and that's how to enable it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.